Hello and welcome to the BayPay Forum's daily news podcast. I'm Lisa, here to bring you the latest in payments and fintech. This episode is proudly sponsored by payacademy.com, your leading online resource for learning about the payments and fintech industry, anytime, anywhere, with over 220 courses at your fingertips. Let's dive into today's top stories. NVIDIA's survey highlights companies' view of AI. NVIDIA's survey State of AI in Financial Services has revealed that firms are using AI to boost revenue and discover new business prospects. Deel announces new anchor investors. Deel has announced that new anchor investors, including General Catalyst and a sovereign investor, purchased close to $300 million of its secondaries from early fundings. LuLu International Exchange partners with Fintech Galaxy. LuLu International Exchange has announced its partnership with Fintech Galaxy in order to provide customers in Bahrain with open banking remittance. Western Union and Penny Pinch launch international money transfer services. Western Union has partnered with Penny Pinch, a money services business, to launch international money transfer services in the Penny Pinch app. Stripe successfully acquires Bridge. US-based payment processing company Stripe has announced the completion of its acquisition of Bridge, a fintech startup focusing on facilitating payments through stablecoins. MercadoLibre provides Pix through its payment processor in Argentina. MercadoLibre, an e-commerce company in Latin America, has announced that it provides transactions using its payment processor in Argentina through Pix, the Brazilian instant payment system. Highnote partners with Fasten Rewards for a new credit card rewards program. Card platform management platform Highnote has announced its partners with Fasten Rewards in order to launch a new customer credit card program. Checkbook introduces global push to card payments enabled by Visa Direct. US-based all-in-one push payments platform Checkbook has announced the expansion of its global push to card capability supported by Visa. Numeral launches fully managed verification of payee solution. Numeral has announced the launch of a fully managed verification of payee solution in order to ensure secure compliance for financial institutions. Salis partners with AuthID to authenticate underserved applicants. Salis, a microlending platform servicing underserved communities, has chosen AuthID, a provider of biometric identity verification, for onboarding and authentication of applicants while protecting user privacy and maintaining compliance with regulatory requirements. Venivo selects IdenFi for safe and compliant crowdlending solutions. IdenFi, a global regtech solutions hub, has partnered with Venivo, a Romanian EU-licensed crowdfunding service provider. Bank of Papua New Guinea completes field trials of digital Kina CBDC. The Bank of Papua New Guinea has marked the successful completion of field trials for the country's central bank digital currency, CBDC. FICO to add BNPL data to credit scores. Following a year-long study with a firm, FICO is planning to add buy now, pay later data to its credit scores. Australia's banks urge Parliament to regulate mobile wallets. Australia's banks are urging the government to swiftly pass legislation that will ensure the country's payments regulatory framework remains fit for purpose as digital payments continue to skyrocket. Standard Chartered predicts Bitcoin will hit $500,000 in the next 3 years. Standard Chartered's head of digital assets Jeffrey Kendrick is forecasting that Bitcoin could hit a high of $500,000 over the next 3 years. Combank signs 5-year deal with AWS. Combank has entered a 5-year deal with Amazon Web Services, Oz, to continue as the bank's preferred cloud provider. Kuadi partners with Bridger Pay. Kuadi has announced its partnership with Bridger Pay in order to enhance payment solutions across the region of Latin America. Thank you for joining us for today's coverage. Remember, you can delve deeper into any story we discussed today by visiting our news section at baypayforum.com. We're here every day, bringing you the critical insights and latest trends across the payments and fintech landscape. Until next time, I'm Lisa, thanking you for watching, and inviting you to join us again tomorrow for more updates. Stay informed, stay ahead.